This is Lego Technic set 42168, the John Deere 9700 Forest Harvester. Contains 559 pieces. The set retails for $39.99 USD. This was another really great John Deere set. I think Lego has really caught on very well to these John Deere sets, and since they make so many different machines across different industries, I think that this is one of the very few, one of the, hopefully the many to come in this series. And again, this was for the piece count, along with the for the price, is definitely a good buy. So this set has a couple of different functions. One is the front of the harvester. You turn the wheel, turn the knob on this side, and it lifts the harvester up and goes down. And then we turn it back this way. The rear gear turns the wheels left and right. So obviously, when the harvester is up, you can, the wheels will move, and you can turn it this way, and then you let it go, and then what it does is, as you roll this forward, these are the harvesters will move, forward as such. Doesn't work very well backwards, but it's a really nice set. I think that the colors, the green and the yellow, with all these John Deere sets, they really look really good. Moving around to the back of it, there's just a disposal here. This simply goes up and down. There is a little cockpit inside. There's no doors, but there is a little cockpit in here that does have like a sticker. Sort of a sticker as a steering wheel, and then there's a little sticker in there for the control panel. There's a very small sticker sheet in this set. Most of the stickers are placed in the first bag, but just primarily around the edges here and these two sides, along the back and along the front there for the John Deere logo. So again, I think that if you're a Lego Technic fan and a fan of these John Deere sets, this is definitely highly recommended. I think you really enjoy building it. Didn't take me very long, maybe a couple hours to put together all at once, but I really enjoyed it. I think that, some of the functionality is really cool, the way that the Forester kind of moves forward, and you're able to see how it works with the gears and all. As you'll see, on my channel here, I did build the recent larger John Deere set that came out last year, and again, that was a lot of fun. I do hope that Lego builds more of these John Deere sets. These are really fun Lego Technic sets, and I think they really are fun builds. Not too difficult depending upon the size of it, but I do think that I'm looking forward to building another one for sure.